When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming,
welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going out on a date. I have a date, guys, and I'm so happy because I love to go out, and this whole corona thing just made me to sit down for a really long time. If you met me on this YouTube channel, you may not know that about me. I do love to go out a lot. In fact, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love to go out. But then again, the virus came and all of a sudden we had to stay in the house. But your girl has a date and we're going to like this really cute restaurant, and we actually have reservations for 4 p.m. and we are running late. If you notice, I'm talking so fast because I'm like, I need to talk to you guys before I leave. I need to talk to you guys. I don't like being rushed. I always feel so anxious and I feel like I haven't done a whole lot of things. So yeah, so I'm going to vlog today, guys. Don't worry, I'm going to bring you guys along. You guys are going to follow me. And guys, that restaurant is so fine. I picked it. I always know good, nice places anywhere I go to. Even in Nigeria, it was the same thing, and now in Dubai, I just always know where this place is. Before I go, I just want to tell you guys something that's making me so happy. Okay guys, I got my first PR package. I got a PR package from a fitness brand called Queen's Fitness. They are based here in Dubai, but don't worry, just calm down. They have distributors in Nigeria, so you really don't have to worry about the whole shipping fee and all of that fee. Just know that they have distributors in Nigeria, so you could always get your they sent over their waist trainers or their waist shapers. So this is pink, this is black. The pink is so cute, guys. In case you're going for one, go for the pink. So they decided to give my subscribers, my family, my followers a special discount code, meaning you get 15% off when you use this special discount code. Guys, I have had these for like a month and I was like, I'm not going to bring it to you guys first. I told them to give me a month to try it out because I basically don't want to bring things to you guys that won't work. You know, I want to be like authentic and stuff like that. So I told them to give me 1 month. They should just give me 1 month and I will give my review after 1 month. So my 1 month is up and it's time for me to bring it to you guys. And trust me, guys, you guys know I work out. Yeah, you guys know I go to the gym all the time, so I work out. So when I'm done working out, I come back home and I put these bad boys on. So whenever I'm cooking, I'm seeing a movie, this is always on. I always put this on, and this is their waist shaper. This is their triple compression belt. Yeah, so they have the sweat belts, they have the double compression belt and all of that. So just go into their DMs with Ihuoma55 and you get 15% off. How cool is that? Like, yeah, guys, patronize them because so that they will continue to do business with me. All right, guys, I'm going out.
My
morning guys. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So yesterday was really annoying because I could not vlog. That is like the first place I'll go to in this Dubai that they will tell me that no cameras allowed, and I don't know why that happened, and I honestly don't know why I'm not staying in one place to do this. Maybe I'm just happy this morning. Anyways, I'm so sorry that you guys didn't really see what I wanted you guys to see in that particular location that we went to. It was so annoying. I wish you guys did see what I wanted you guys to see, but as it turns out, no cameras allowed and all that. So yeah, I'm apologizing again on their behalf because it's annoying. I felt like I was in Lagos for a moment. Anyways, today is Saturday guys, and I have like things to do because it's Saturday. First of all, I need to clean up because this house is a mess, and I'm probably going to like Saturday clean up like the whole house. Like I have to clean everywhere in this house. Secondly, I'm going to the gym today. I need to work out, and I also have a blog post to put up. Yeah, in case you don't know, I do have a blog. I'm sorry if what I'm doing is distracting you, but it's just really cool seeing the way my room is like this. Okay, stay on please. Yeah, so I have a blog post, and I have a blog. In case you don't know, www.ihuoma.com. That's my blog. So I have a blog post that I'm supposed to put up today, and I also need to edit this particular video. This video is going up on Monday, and I haven't even started. Today is Saturday guys, and it means that I have just Sunday and Monday for this video to be ready. Imagine, and you guys may not know this, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to editing my vlogs, when it comes to my visuals, the kind of music I select, every single thing, it has to be perfect. I'm a perfectionist, it has to be perfect. So if I'm going to use just Sunday to do this and get this ready, and so that it's going to be perfect for you guys, you can imagine. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it today. You guys don't go anywhere, because just don't go anywhere, okay? I have like no reason, or just don't go anywhere, okay?
8 p.m. right now. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to start editing this particular vlog because it's going to be up by Monday and I do not want to get stranded. So I always try so hard to make my style of vlogging to be super relaxing and really calm. So that's why, from the choice of music to the angles of where I place my camera to every single thing, that just leads to a very perfect visual and perfect music and perfect audio. So I always want my vlogs to be very relaxing and very calming, so that whenever you're depressed, whenever you're sad, whenever you're angry, whenever you're going through things, you can just easily always go to my YouTube channel and just open any of my vlogs and just watch any of my vlogs, and you will just feel so much relaxed. So it's not all the time I want the whole you know, you're talking here, you're talking there, you're talking and all that. It's always like my visuals to just speak for itself. I just always like the choice of music to just speak to your soul, and I just always like you guys to read meaning into what I put out there. You know, I don't necessarily have to, you know, come out and say, okay, right now I'm going to the restaurant, or okay, right now I'm going to this place, or oh, right now we are back and we are in the house. I just always, you know, want you guys to be able to know that, yeah, this is what is happening in so and so scene. I mean, that is the way I always want to vlog. I don't know if it makes sense or it's just stupid or whatsoever, but the lights are going to go off now because I love to edit with the lights off. I don't know why. I just do that.
You'll be all